Hello and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer here with today's lesson about CPR, Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, or CPR, is a life-saving technique that uses chest compressions coupled with rescue breathing to restore a normal heart rhythm. Even if you're not trained in CPR, the American Heart Association recommends that you perform chest compressions in the event that CPR is necessary. As we talk about how to prepare for and how to execute CPR successfully, be mindful of what you need to do in an emergency situation. This information could very well save someone's life. Being prepared for any emergency situation can take some thought, but it's very important before you perform CPR that you remember the following points. If the person appears unconscious, shake his or her shoulder and loudly ask if they are okay. When the person is non-responsive, if there's another person present, assign them to call 911 while you begin CPR. If you are alone, call 911 before beginning CPR, unless the victim became unresponsive due to suffocation. If suffocation, drowning, or choking is involved, perform CPR for 1 minute before calling 911. If an AED is available, deliver 1 shock if instructed by the device before beginning CPR. If you've taken the first precautionary steps, you are now ready to learn how to perform CPR. CPR should always be done in the order of the acronym CAB: circulation, airway, and breathing.
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.